Hi, today I'm for the REALME 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi option, we should click once on this switcher. If you wanna just use the Wi-Fi, after that when you'll just turn it on, when you launch this option, you will see here the list with all of the available networks. For example, let's select one from these networks. Here we should enter the password. To see it, we should tap on this eye icon to handle some mistakes. So I'll enter it out of screen. After that, we just should tap on the right upper corner to OK and wait a couple of seconds. So now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, if you want, you can select more just use more networks. Just click to the one from this network, enter the password, tap to connect, and when you use the Wi-Fi assistant, also you can launch the this option to auto connect to the best Wi-Fi network, and after that your device will choose one from the networks which have the better internet connection. So just if you want to turn it off, we should click here on this Wi-Fi switcher. So just we should use it to turn it on or turn it off. Also, we get one more way how we can connect to Wi-Fi. So just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you will see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate it, to activate the Wi-Fi. After that, by the same way, select here just one from the available networks. If you want to launch the full Wi-Fi setting, just click here to more, and by the same way enter the password and connect to the network. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.